What's up everybody, it's your girl Amanda the Buzz Artist, and today I'm going to show you how to clean your paint palette after you're done with painting. Here's a nice dirty palette that I just finished using for one of the video tutorials that we just did, so do be sure to check those out. I usually take a washcloth that I was just using for the painting tutorial. As you can tell, it's all nice and messy. Now that the exposure is better, I'm going to take my towel, I'm going to go to my palette, and I'm just going to wipe up all the excess paint that I have in the palette, okay? So this is a really great way to just clean up all the excess paint, get it onto your cloth so that, you know, you don't end up with like a huge mess in your sink when you later go on to rinse all these, okay? So I'm going into all my little pockets. This only applies obviously if you're using a reusable palette. You don't have to reuse an old plate, you can just throw that out. Of course, if you want to reuse, well then you just use this tip. I've just pretty much wiped it clean, so as you can see, a lot of the excess paint is out. I'm going to go ahead and rinse this and just use my fingers to get at the paint that is in here. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, so I'm going to turn the water on. Then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wipe away the excess paint using my fingers to get at all the excess paint that I have on here. And that's it. I'm ready to use this for my next painting adventure. I don't really use soap, but if you would want to, that's totally fine. I actually just do this with plain water and a little bit of towel magic, okay? So if you found this video helpful, please be sure to like this video and to subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos from me in the future. Yay! Alright, see you later!